That's not bringing me down either. That's just about to happen. What you mean?
I just never turn on.
Oh, god damn it! God damn it! No, I'm getting shot like a motherfucker though. I'm getting shot like a motherfucker though. This thing's fucking died on me. Absolutely. I'm about to do a hard fucking landing. Get ready to blood bag. Get ready to blood bag. Fuck, dude. That's so close to landing in that fucking trailer. Son of a bitch. Piece of shit fucking chopper, dude.